Yo, breakfast lovers! Welcome back to Breakfast Around the World. Today we're trading in our cereal bowls for something a little more tropical. We're diving into the heart of Antigua and Barbuda to try some breakfast dishes that'll make your taste buds do the limbo. Let's get this fiesta started. First up, we've got Ducana. Imagine a sweet potato dumpling, but with a tropical twist. It's got coconut, spices, and a whole lot of Caribbean love. Trust me, this thing is a game changer. Pair it with some savory saltfish, and you've got a breakfast match made in heaven. Next on the menu, Fungee and saltfish. It's like the ultimate comfort food, but with a Caribbean flair. Fungee is this creamy cornmeal-based dish, and saltfish is, well, it's exactly what it sounds like. Together, they're a salty, savory, and oh-so-satisfying combo. Last but not least, we've got cornmeal porridge. Think of it as a tropical hug in a bowl. It's thick, creamy, and perfect for a cozy morning. Add a splash of milk, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and maybe even a dollop of honey, and you've got breakfast bliss. Well, that's a wrap on our Antigua breakfast adventure. From Ducana to Fungee and saltfish, these dishes are proof that breakfast can be more than just cereal. So, next time you're in the Caribbean, be sure to try these local favorites. And remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it a delicious one.